Can you get excessive with like brushing and flossing?
A lot of people have a misconception that if they have gum recession, that it's from brushing too hard. And most of the time, it's actually just from how they're biting together. With the stresses of our society today, people are clenching, grinding, and that wreaks havoc on your teeth. And that can cause migraines, neck pains, you name it.
Yeah.
Chest pain. I mean, some people come in and they're just like, my whole mouth hurts.
Yeah.
And it all stems from they're having jaw joint issues because their teeth are malaligned, and then they're grinding at night because they're stressed. And it's just like,
Yeah.